Hey guys, in this video we'll see how to merge two different PowerPoint presentations. This is the PowerPoint presentation with which I'll have to merge the other one. We'll click on new slide. Under that you'll get a lot of options. Below you'll get reuse slides. We'll click on that. Then you'll get a pop-up menu on the right side. We'll click on browse. And below that you'll get two options. We'll click on browse file. Your file explorer will get opened now, and then the PowerPoint which you want, you can choose it and click on open, and you can see the slides displaying one by one. So whichever you want, you can select it. Now since I have kept source formatting on, the same theme which was there in the other PPT is being applied. If I want everything in one theme, I'll just keep it off and then insert the same slide. So both of them are in the same theme. If I keep source formatting on, it will be in the original theme. This is how we will merge to our PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching.